In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page orientation from landscape to portrait in Microsoft Word. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where your document layout isn't quite right, perhaps because the text or design doesn't fit as expected, knowing how to switch between landscape and portrait orientation is a handy skill to have. Let's dive into making this change seamlessly in your document. To get started first, open your Microsoft Word document. Whether you're working on a project, a report, or even a personal letter, you want to ensure that your document is open and accessible for editing. If you haven't already created a document, you can just open a new one to practice this adjustment. Once your document is ready, direct your attention to the top of the Word interface, where you'll find several tabs that offer a variety of functions. Look for the tab labeled Layout, or in some versions, Page Layout. This tab is your go-to for making any page or layout adjustments. Clicking on it will reveal a whole new range of options that allow you to alter how your document is displayed and formatted on the page. Within the Layout tab, focus on the Page Setup group. This area contains all the essential tools for adjusting your page settings. Here you'll find a button labeled Orientation. Clicking on this button will give you two options: Portrait and Landscape. At this point, your document may already be set to landscape if that's the reason you are here and need to switch it to portrait. Simply click on Portrait, and like magic, your document will adjust to display in a vertical format rather than the horizontal layout of landscape orientation. This change can often be just the tweak needed to improve the overall appearance and readability of your document, especially if you're adding lots of text elements that suit a vertical presentation. Portrait orientation is particularly useful if you're preparing print materials or documents meant for professional presentations, as it aligns with standard paper dimensions for printing. After making this selection, it's always wise to scroll through your document to ensure everything is aligned as needed, especially if your document contains images or graphs which might shift due to the change in orientation. And just like that, you've successfully changed your document from landscape to portrait. This simple technique can make a significant difference in how your document is perceived and printed. I hope this guide helps you tackle your next Word document with confidence. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.